PC gamers are going crazy right now because the infamous Denuvo anti-piracy software has supposedly been defeated on day one. A brand new method called a hypervisor bypass is circulating online, allowing people to play massive new releases for free. But before you go looking for these downloads, you need to stop and listen, because this bypass is actually a devastating security trap. If you do not know, Denuvo is a strict digital rights management software that stops unauthorized copies of games from running. In the past, traditional game cracks tried to remove Denuvo completely, but this new hypervisor technique does something entirely different. Instead of removing Denuvo, it tricks it. It creates a fake environment at the deepest level of your PC, known as the kernel. It tricks the DRM into thinking you own a legitimate copy of the game, which forces the game to run. While the technical side of tricking Denuvo might sound fascinating, actually using this bypass on your own computer is a massive security risk. To make this fake environment work, the bypass requires you to intentionally blind your own PC. The instructions force you to manually disable Windows Defender, turn off driver signature enforcement, and disable secure boot. You are giving random, anonymous files unrestricted access to your raw hardware. When you do this, you open the door to a bootkit. This is highly advanced, stealthy malware that infects your motherboard's actual firmware, loading before Windows even starts. Attackers can gain permanent, invisible control over your system, even if you completely wipe your hard drive. Tricking Denuvo to play a video game for free is simply not worth risking a permanent motherboard infection or having your personal data stolen. The only safe way to play new releases is to purchase them legitimately and keep your PC security shields turned on. Stay safe out there. If this cybersecurity warning helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tech and gaming news.